Hey guys, this is Amy. I'm coming back to let you know how I start on creating soles from different materials. Today I'm going to be using a cork rubber type material. Cutting different size uppers for my sandals out. I've been trying to find some type of material to make my soles from. So when I found the cork rubber type material, I wanted to see how it feels. The cork rubber material feels very soft. So what I'm going to start doing now is punching holes in the cutout soles that I've finished, and I'm going to continue to punch the holes so you can see the end result.